Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu kurekereria riboti iria yonanitie ati thirikari yahuthirie ciringi bilioni 104 kugura mutambo wa kuramata marihi ma urigitani rungu rwa mubango wa SHA gatagati ka mahoro mangi maria magumeire mubango uyu. Riu mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ni areganite na ndeto ino akiuga ucio ni muhuhu.
Hii makelele mnasikia kwa hii mitandao na nini ni watu ambao walikuwa wanaibia sisi siku ya NHIF. These are brokers.
President ugite gutirio na ndururo nemwe ya muingi yahuthikire otiga marihi ma kuhuthira mutambo uyu maria marerihagwo ni kuhuthira na mugaro na mutambo wa NHIF rigutire mundu ungihota kungumia kigina kia muingi kugerera SHA.
Nimefanya consortium kubwa, tukasema we are going to have a consortium of technology companies that is going to make sure that there are no fraudulent claims in SHA. And they are going to make sure that that system will not be paid for by the government of Kenya. It will be a fee-for-service facility that will make sure that we protect citizens' contribution.
Agiukirina aria mararegana na mubango uyu, president ugite aingi yao ni mikora na mabroka maria maragunikaga kugerera NHIF na niyo maratongoria kumenereria SHA kuri muingi, no gutire hindi thirikari gucokereria kuheana motungata ma urigitani kugerera NHIF.
The people who are complaining are the fellows who have been stealing from us. They don't want a technology system that works, because they want to continue stealing from us. I want to tell them the stealing is over, my friends. Move on. Hakuna tena pesa ya umma itafujwa kwa mitandao, hata mujaze makaseti, makaratasi na nini marangapi. Ati ndio mutulazimishe turudi nyuma kule kwa NHIF muendelee na kuiba. Haiwezekani.
Riu ni oritie muingi wa bururi wiyandikithie kwa wingi na ndugetikire kuhingicwo na ndeto cia maheni undu nyitirwo mbaru ni atongoria aria mauma hamwe nake.
Mimi nataka kuwarai hivi, kabla hujaongea, kabla hujapiga kelele, kabla hujapumbazwa na wanahabari ambao wananiambia katika taifa letu la Kenya, jiandikishe kwanza. Wakati utagojeka uone kama utalipiwa ama hautalipiwa, ndiposa sasa ukuje kuongea mbele ya umati.
Don't listen to the disinformation and misinformation being perpetuated, especially by our media. Focus on your own health, because when your health fails, it is individual and personal, and the pain is only to you and to your family.
Okaire-ini okau ni oritie ndudu ya wamurani iratongoria mihango ya kuumba kamiti njeru ya ithurano na miaka IEBC itengerie mihango eno niguo gutigirira icigo iria itari na rugamiriri ni ciatabania ithurano nini.
And I have a history and a testimony that Malulu Injeni is a forthright leader. Nyinyi watu wa Malava, you made a good choice of a leader.